Hey there, it's week 111 of my renovation here on Iris Street. My name's Adam, and if you're just joining me, I've been working on this project for a little over 2 years. This week, I do a lot of drywalling out here in the porch, which is pretty involved. So, before I talk about that too much, let me just show you what happens. Wednesday is a quick one. I just do a little bit of foam trimming of the windows on my lunch break. The goal for the weekend is to hang up as much drywall as I can in the porch. Before that drywall can go up, I wanted one exterior outlet. I don't have a single exterior outlet on the whole house, so I go ahead and knock in a double gang. After that's up, I can finish putting up the final insulation that's required before all the drywall can go up. These 12-foot sheets are about all that I can handle by myself, but by screwing a temporary board to the wall, I can get them up there. On Sunday, there's a lot of prep work I have to do before I can hang any more sheetrock. I have to plane down some plywood that's a little bit proud there by the ceiling and do a lot of cardboard shimming all around the windows and that pink insulation. After a few hours of prep work, I start hanging up the remaining pieces, starting with the north wall there that you see. In the evening, I get a little bit more drywalling done here on this east wall, and that's going to be all for Sunday. Monday brings more of the same. I'm just trying to get as much drywalling done this week as I can, so I continue working on the porch this evening. On Tuesday, I get the final drywall hung up on the south wall. I'll have to cut out that window when I actually get the window picked up to install, but apart from the door jambs, this porch is completely drywalled. Thanks for watching. See you back next week for week 112.